man, penny stocks can go from absolutely nothing to thousands of percent point gains in a matter of days, right? In this video, we're going to be talking about Corporate Universe and why they went from around 0 cents a share all the way up to 50 cents a share, and now they've pulled back to around the 30-cent mark. So is this a good investment to get into? Is the 30 cents cheap, or is it still way overpriced and we're going to see a bigger pullback? Now, if this is something you're interested in investing in, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. Now, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're going to grow together. Now, with that being said, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and become a bro, and let's grow together. Now, we're talking about Corporate Universe and the acquisition that they announced mid to end December. Where does this stand? What's going on? And will this stock price shoot higher? They're going to acquire a carbon ion technology company which works on electric vehicle batteries out of the UK. Now, at the end of December, they expected to have this acquisition take place and finalized sometime in mid-January. Well, guess what time it is? It's mid-January, and we still don't have any news articles about what's going on with this acquisition. The last update we had was on December 30th, when they let us know that this could be, this could take a while, and it could come to fruition in the middle of January. So just a little bit of an update. What does carbon ion do? So apparently they have this technology that allows electric vehicles to charge up to 100 times faster than they're currently charging. Now, this would be a game changer, right? If electric vehicles could charge 100 times faster, let's kind of relate it to this. In the amount of time that it takes you to go to the gas station and pump your tank of gas, you could probably charge your electric vehicle enough to get where you're going easily, right? So this could definitely be a huge breakthrough in the electric vehicle market and in the clean energy space. So if you know me, if you know this channel by now, you know that I believe that clean energy and electric vehicles are going to be the future. We're going to be, regulation is going to promote clean energy and electric vehicles in the future, especially here in the United States. Fossil fuels are on their way out, clean energy is on its way in, and once it hits the mainstream, man, it is really going to take off, and this is the time to get into these companies that are revolutionizing this space. But with that being said, Carbon Ion is a very small company. The company, I looked at some of the financials, and it only had about $175,000 in revenue, and that's not too much. It's a very small company that's being acquired here, and what they're really acquiring is this technology. So is this something that can take place immediately? Is it something that can be implemented immediately, or is it going to take a lot of work before this gets to the market and we're able to see this in electric vehicles? Well, I'll let you answer that part because I really don't know how quick they're going to be able to implement this into different batteries and charging techniques and different things like that. But what I do know is if it does hit, if it does hold, this stock could absolutely skyrocket even further. Now, of course, penny stocks are inherently dangerous, they're inherently risky, but with high risk comes high reward. So, what do we do here? Do we wait for a pullback even further, or do we get in now? I got to take this straight day by day, guys. If the stock continues to fall, and I think it could if we wait to see where this company is going with this acquisition. We haven't heard anything for about 2 weeks now. If we go another 2 weeks and we haven't heard anything on the acquisition, does this mean the acquisition is falling apart? Are talks kind of dwindling away? What's going on? I definitely need to see some more information coming out before I go ahead and pull the trigger on Corporate Universe. COUV is the ticker symbol, and in my opinion right now, this is an extremely risky trade, especially if you're going to get in at this moment. Now, if we do see a big dip, if we see this stock pull back even further, maybe we can go add some shares in the 10-cent range or somewhere around there. We can go ahead and add some shares, hoping that it'll go higher. But I never like to say we should hope for anything, right? If we're going to invest, we should know that we are getting into a company that has the potential to do some great sales and to do some great things. So I do think that this is an industry that is going to perform well, especially over the near term and definitely into the long term. But before we go ahead and pull the trigger on COUV, we definitely need to see some more news articles coming out about the acquisition. So with that being said, guys, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, become a bro, and let's grow together in 2021. So until the next time, I hope all of you guys have an awesome day.